Granular baits like Niban Entice and MotherEarth target crawling pests by delivering a concentrated, slow-acting toxicant in a particulate form that pests find and consume. Niban is primarily effective against slugs and certain cockroach species when applied as a perimeter or localized spot treatment because it contains metaldehyde or borate formulations that slugs and scavenging cockroaches will ingest. Apply in dry conditions, place under debris and along known slug trails, and avoid broadcast applications where rain or irrigation can dilute the bait. Entice, formulated for ants and roaches, relies on a carbohydrate and protein matrix to attract foraging workers who then share the material with the colony, so place small granular placements along ant trails, near entry points, and inside voids when accessible, and retreatment should follow label-specified intervals to account for new foragers. MotherEarth is a diatomaceous earth-based granular product that controls ants, crickets, and other soft-bodied insects through desiccation, and is best used as a dry, thin barrier in cracks, void edges, and beneath equipment where it will stay dry. Use light dusting or narrow band applications to maintain efficacy and avoid heavy layering, which reduces airflow and performance. For American cockroaches, target harborages around drains, planters, mulch, and sewer access points using bait in protected placements to prevent weather loss and non-target removal, and combine with sanitation and exclusion to improve long-term control. For crickets and similar ground-active pests, place bait along foundation perimeters and in cool shaded niches they frequent during daytime, and reduce excessive mulch depth or vegetation contact with structures to lower pest pressure. Always read and follow the product label for legal application rates, personal protective equipment, and specific pest lists because labels define allowable uses and mixing instructions. Common mistakes include over-application, which reduces attractiveness in waste product. So, apply small, evenly spaced placements or narrow bands rather than thick broadcast layers to keep the bait palatable. Another issue is placing baits in wet or irrigated areas where granules will clump or wash away, so time applications for dry weather and protect placements under eaves or using shallow shields when needed. A third concern is relying solely on bait without addressing sanitation and entry points, which slows results, so pair baiting with debris removal, moisture control, and sealing gaps to reduce reproduction sites and reinfestation. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors for pest control and related work, and to let contractors showcase services and connect with customers. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about products like Niban, Entice, and MotherEarth so our users can make better decisions.